For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle. Astronomers say they've discovered the biggest thing ever found in the history of finding big things. It's a group of quasars 4 billion light years across, about 1/20th the diameter of the whole observable universe. For the uninitiated, quasars are massive black holes at the center of galaxies. The gases around them get so hot they glow, becoming some of the brightest objects in the universe. They're also known to cluster in groups, but never a group this big before. In fact, the clusters shouldn't even exist. A structure that size violates the cosmological principle. Popular Science describes the rule. The cosmological principle is the assumption that the universe, if viewed from a large enough scale, looks the same no matter where you are viewing it from. It's one of those things that fits in with the work of theorists like Einstein, but that we obviously can't observe. Basically, the idea is while specific places in the universe are different, they all start to look the same if you zoom out a little, like how different crumbs all blur together to make a smooth cake. Scientists have had to revise exactly how far out that is several times already, but because the quasar group is 4 times larger than the current theoretical limit, it'll have to be revised again. To an outsider, it might seem like astrophysicists should just ditch the idea, but an Oxford researcher tells New Scientist that probably won't happen. People are maybe understandably reluctant to give up the thing because it will make cosmology too bloody complicated. But they don't have to revise the principle just yet. Since this study is the first glimpse of the quasar cluster, there's still some doubt whether it's actually as big as it seems. It's unclear whether the cluster that the team has identified truly is a single structure. For instance, what looks like one enormous cluster may actually be 2 structures that look as though they are one because of the viewing angle from Earth. If it's confirmed, the cluster will do more than revise one principle. It'll shed light on the state of the early universe since the cluster is at least 9 billion years old. For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle.